This is a model representing the new Soraluce dynamic line, the high rail gantry series. I'm not sure the X-axis, but the machine is built as a 2-zone. So you can see the work pieces inside, and there's 2 tool changers, one for this front side, one for the back side. The high rail gantry is defined by the fixed sidewalls and then all the movement on the top of those sidewalls. We offer full 5-axis capability in all of our HG series, whether it's the HGA, which is designed for composites and aluminum, the HGP, which is designed for die mold, or the HGR, which is a fully universal machine. If you're interested in learning more about this machine, please feel free to reach out to your local select distributor, whether it's Morris, Gosiger, or Hartwig, or Arizona CNC, or feel free to contact us here at Select Machining Technologies.